I'm out here with the TAAIW, I think that's what it's called, the TAAIW mini drone, or something of that nature. Something like that, right? And there it is. This is the one with the infrared all the way around on it. I gotta get that rate up. Okay, there we go. We got the rate going. I don't have the infrared turned on. I don't think it's necessary for you to have it on outside. The wind's coming, so here it's gonna fight this breeze, but it's in the high rate right now. So I just got to full stick forward to try to fight the breeze off. Another indoor flyer. I'm trying to make work outside. But it's flying. I think I'll change the name of this thing from the TAAIW to the Chop Suey. Okay, we'll change it to the Chop Suey quadcopter. Oh, the pitch on it is not good. It's one of them that'll fly fine as long as there's no wind, okay? As long as you don't have any breeze, you're fine. Get wind, you're screwed. Because it just doesn't really have a lot of pitch to it. This is definitely a for sure indoor only type deal here. It just doesn't have the power, you know? It's very lacking on power. Very lacking on power. It's doing okay, I guess. I mean, you know, it is what it is. It's a little $20 toy. Yay. I don't know if that was the battery going down or if that was just me farting around too much. I don't think this one really has a warning, and if it does, it's just probably some lights or something. So it's not going to... See, it just doesn't have the... pitch to get you going. You just don't have enough lift on this sucker. For outdoors. Indoors, it was great. You know, indoors, it was fine. Yeah, it's okay. It's all right, man. You're not going to get much range out of this, so don't even try don't even try to go far, because you're not going far, okay? You're not going far. Forget about it. With the chop suey. We'll play ring around the pole. How about that? Here's some good practice for you. Come fly around the pole. Oh, I whack a pole. That's like a cousin of whack-a-mole. Whack-a-pole. Up, here comes the wind. Little breeze. It's not going forward at all. Let me lower it in case it dumps. I'm doing as much as I can to keep it from dying. All right, I think that's it for the battery. It is. Yeah, it is. It's done. All right, guys, there you go. The chop suey quadcopter. It's a classic. Flew great, man. It did. It flew great considering the circumstances of it being an indoor quad. It's an indoor toy, and, you know, a little bit of breeze kicking in and out, you know. Not steady, but intermittent enough to cause it to have some grief. So, yeah, it flew okay. Got no complaints with it. All right, guys. Have a nice day.